Want to store extra information about your customers directly in their chat, like their plan, number of users, or account details? With custom properties in Periskope, you can add any field you need. In this video, we'll show you how. Go to Settings from the left sidebar and click on Custom Properties under the Organization section. Here you'll see two tabs, Chat and Ticket. Depending on where you want to add the property, select the right tab. You'll see existing sections like Default, which already has properties like org-id, org-name, plan, and more. To add a new section, click New Section in the top right. Once the section is created, click on it and then click Add New Property. Give it a name, select the type, text, date, file upload, multi-select, dropdown, or dependent dropdown. If it's a dropdown, add your values, for example, high, medium, or low. Once done, click Create Property. Your property is now available across all chats in your workspace. To see it in action, open any chat and click on the Properties tab in the right side panel. You'll see all your sections listed there, like tax info, ARR, or any custom ones you've created, ready for your team to fill in and refer to at any time. Custom properties help your team keep all the right information in one place, right inside the chat. Try it out, the link is in the description.